In this video, we're going to calculate speed using the formula distance equals speed times time, where the time has a fraction of an hour with it. So, as always, let's write out what information we have. So an aeroplane covers 412.5 miles, so let's put that next to the D, in 1 hour and 15 minutes. So that's the time, so 1 hour 15 minutes. And what's the average speed? So we've been asked to work out what speed is. So let's write out the formula we use, which is distance equal to speed multiplied by time. Well, before we do anything else, we're going to have to change this time in hours and minutes into decimal hours, because that's the only type we can put into this formula. Well, an hour and 15 minutes. Well, 15 minutes is a quarter of an hour. A quarter as the decimal is 0.25. So 1 hour 15 minutes is 1.25 hours. Okay. Now let's sub these values into our equation. So the distance was given as 412.5. So let's put that in. 412.5 is equal to the speed, which we're trying to work out. So let's keep that as an S, multiplied by the time, which we've just worked out to be 1.25. So I need to get the S on its own. So I'm going to divide both sides by 1.25. And if I do that, I get S is equal to 330. Now it's to do with speed and it's to do with miles and hours. So it's 330 miles per hour.